My name is Jack, and the title of speech is The Problem of Baseball. The problem of baseball is to spend much money for baseball. Why must baseball players spend lots of money? Because baseball goods are very expensive. For example, gloves are about 30,000 yen, and bats are about 20,000 yen. However, soccer is very easy sport. If we have only soccer ball, we can start game. Soccer ball is about only 1,000 yen. If baseball goods are cheap for everyone to buy, the baseball can just spread all over the world like that. Then baseball rule is more difficult than the other sports. So we should teach baseball rule all over the world in order to spread baseball culture. Thank you for listening to my speech.